In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a half-inch Impact Torx bit socket set. Let's unbox this half-inch Impact Torx bit socket set. The kit includes a full set of T-type sockets. The sizes include T30, T40, T45, T50, T55, T60, T70, T80, T90, and T100. It fits half-inch impact wrenches, pneumatic wrenches, and heavy-duty ratchets. This tool set is specifically designed for internal Torx bolts and new style spline bolts. It is suitable for automotive chassis, engines, transmission, and brakes. Also works for specific German vehicles like Volkswagen and Audi, and specialty bolts on more industrial equipment. Its main features are thickened, hardened, and impact-resistant construction. It is only suitable for impact wrenches and heavy-duty power tools. It cannot be replaced by a regular hand socket. The extended design makes it easy to reach. Designed with deep, recessed bolts. This set covers common Torx bolt sizes from small to large, a must-have for automotive repair and mechanical work. Next, we will demonstrate using the T30 socket. We are demonstrating it with a half-inch electric impact wrench.